To install the Prime theme, head to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New. Click Upload Theme, choose the theme zip file, and hit Install Now. Once it's finished installing, just click Activate, and you're all set. After the theme installs successfully, you'll see a notice to install a few plugins. Please install those recommended plugins to unlock all the pro features. Some of them were specially developed for this theme. You're all set to start customizing your website. Dive into the theme options, Elementor add-ons, and other powerful tools right in your WordPress dashboard to create a unique, professional brand that stands out.